house and a cat.
Ow.
She was in the closet?
Yep, she was in the closet. This is Emma's room.
So cute.
A pretty little blanket that Mom just got her.
She's got a little table all set up. So nice and big.
That's what CJ got her.
Oh, the pony.
Yeah.
How nice.
This is our office/guest room.
My accommodations.
Okay.
Nice. Good size room.
We're working on a bigger desk, but this is suitable.
All in good time.
Come back in here. Our living room. With my living maid and chef, Tyler Barnes.
And a cute Christmas tree. Hi, Tyler.
This is the kitchen.
It's an extremely large kitchen.
The washer and dryer.
Nice.
Finally.
Snazzy.
Losing my booth.
No more laundromat.
My bedroom. Little bedroom.
Nice. Walk-in closet. Ensuite bath.
The bathroom. Shower.
No way, I can see me in the video.
You wanna come with me?
It's gonna be cold outside. You gotta stay here. We're gonna go look at the patio. 1 minute. It's cold outside. Look. Complete with a view. That's Albuquerque off over there, right?
No, Albuquerque's more that way.
What were the lights over there?
Towards Bernalillo.
It's what?
Bernalillo.
Oh. Nice. Really good job, guys.